I cannot wait anymore! My tummy is rumbling loud! I will explode soon.
You cannot go inside. Lily is very busy.
Fading light in your tired eyes, holding me through the endless nights. You gave your youth so I could fly.
Lily has a bad stomach ache. She is inside right now. Please wait a bit. We will help you later. Lily is still taking a shower. Please calm down.
We must open the door. Break it down.
I am entering.
Please do not do it. She is not ready. Look at this singing contest. Wow, we can win big money. We will buy a birthday gift for Mom. The deadline is 7 o'clock. We must hurry up. I need a perfect room. We must find one. The bathroom sounds great. The sound is perfect there. Wow, this idea is amazing. Let us do it. Be very quiet. Do not let Mom find out. I am walking softly. It is very safe.
This necklace is beautiful. I am borrowing it now. It matches my outfit.
This feels very wrong. But we need money. We want to buy a gift for Mom. Make it really fast. I am very nervous. I promise to hurry. Do not worry. It is just for one video. I will return it soon. Trust me completely. We will win.
These earrings are bright. I am completely ready. Let us start the show.
I will guard the door. Nobody will enter. The sound is great here. Lock the door tightly. Stand right outside. Be brave. I am starting the music. Wish me luck. Sing your heart out. I am right here. The house is quiet. I am a great guard. Everything is fine. Someone is home early. Oh. I feel very scared.
My stomach hurts terribly. I ate bad food. I need the bathroom immediately. Move aside. I cannot wait anymore. My tummy is rumbling loud. I will explode soon.
You cannot go inside. Lily is very busy.
I am in a huge hurry. Let me pass.
Please drink some water downstairs.
Huh?
She needs more time.
This is a disaster. I will wait in the kitchen. Tell Lily to hurry up. It is urgent.
That was extremely close. Sing faster, Lily.
I must look beautiful. This angle is good. Let us start. I have a big party tonight. I need to take a shower. I must get ready.
Lily has a bad stomach ache. She is inside right now. Please wait a bit.
The timing is bad. I have to do makeup first. Tell Lily to be quick. I am waiting.
Mom went away. We are safe for now.
Fading light in your tired eyes, holding me through the endless nights. You gave your youth so I could fly, a quiet love that will never die.
I am back again.
Dad, wait!
The pain is worse now. Open this door.
She is taking a shower now.
Just a minute, Lola.
Please wait 5 more minutes.
I have no strength left. I will sit right here. This pure torture. Do not talk to me.
You are the shelter from the rain, the healing touch to every pain.
My belly is making noises. This is really bad.
I am very sorry, Dad. Just breathe slowly.
My jewelry box is completely empty. I am panicking. My necklace is missing. The earrings are gone too. We have a thief. Help me search. Do you know about my jewelry?
I know absolutely nothing. I am innocent. We will help you later. Lily is still taking a shower. Please calm down.
You are acting very strange. You are hiding something.
I cannot hold it anymore. My bladder is full. We must open the door. Break it down.
Step aside, young lady. I am entering. Please do not do it! She is not ready! Open the door, Lily! They're coming inside! Turn off the music! No matter where my steps may roam, within your heart I am always home. I am using the spare key. I am opening it now. The waiting is over. Let us see the truth. Come out here!
Finally, it is open. I am going inside.
What is going on here? I am shocked. Whoa!
Nobody is taking a shower. You lied to me.
You took my necklace. Those are my earrings. Give them back. I need them now.
You ruined my video. We need 10 more minutes. You took my things without asking. I was worried. I thought a thief took them.
The deadline is very close. I want to win the prize. Please let me finish.
We will talk about you later.
Oh!
Everyone get out of here. I need the bathroom for 10 minutes.
Go to the living room right now. We need to talk.
We are very sorry. We are walking down now.
I am finally safe. Do not disturb me. This was a nightmare. I am surviving.
I returned your jewelry. We just wanted to win the prize. It is $500, Mom. Lily will win the prize. We will have pocket money. You will not need to give us money.
You girls are great. But tell us next time.
No! We learned our lesson. We love you, Mom. We will never lie again. I promise.
I feel wonderful now. The pain is gone. Let us shoot that video. We have 5 minutes left. Hurry up, girls.
You are the best dad. I will sing naturally. Let us win this.
Make a great stage. Sing your best. I am completely ready. Hit the record button.
The camera is rolling. Do your best. Action.
You are the shelter from the rain, the healing touch to every pain. No matter where my steps may roam, within your heart, I am always home. Her voice is amazing. They are good kids. I am very proud of them. We are a happy family. Silver lines in your gentle hair, a silent strength that is always there. If I could give back the years you gave, I'd walk beside you through every way.
I won the first prize. We got the money. This is a great day. Bring out the cake. This cake is huge. We bought it for you.
Oh my goodness, Lily, it's amazing. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Mom. Open your gift right now. It is very special. We chose it carefully.
This is so lovely. I see our family photos. You are so sweet.
You deserve the best. We love you dearly.
Take the first bite, Mom. The chocolate is rich. It is delicious. I want a big piece. My mouth is watering. Oh, please cut it faster.
This cake is fantastic. I am really enjoying it.
I am eating 2 slices. The frosting is perfect. Eat with me.
Cheers to our mom. We did it. Cheers to family. I am very happy.